for that.
Actor and M&M leader will be Kamal Hassan's maiden speech.
Maiden speech or mad speech, I don't know. What he spoke. During my tenure as president, I told, because he used to issue statements, I used to tell that Konar guide used to have, whether all our programs, they used to have a guide for explanation of the lessons. So we have to have a guide to understand his speech. Nobody understands. But he is he is telling, Tamil Nadu people are not beggars. Yes, we are telling, Tamil Nadu people are not beggars. But your Periyar told that. He is portraying as if Madam Nirmala told that. Even the Periyar bucks are unable to know what Periyar told. Highly condemn that. Katumarandi Bhasha, barbarian language he told. But he was barking on BJP instead of condemning the Periyar. He has condemned the Periyar. Totally has condemned Periyar. Periyar bucks are unable to know that they are clapping their hand. This is the ignorance he conveyed to the parliament. The more political mistakes are done by DMK. Another political blunder, sending Kamala Hassan to parliament, who doesn't have any knowledge about the public, and he will speak what all they written by them. So even that was written in a wrong way. So he has to change his script writer also. That's all I can say.